Hello all my dear students, welcome back your online classes. This is your Tezip sir my dear students, and today we are going to do the revision of Essay 2 exam. What my dear students? Today we are going to do the revision of Essay 2 exam. So before starting our lecture, sit properly, take out your books. Take out your rough book, all my dear students, and take out your important things and keep it with you, all dear. And then after, we will going to start our session. What, my dear students? Then after, we will going to start our session. So, my dear students, one more thing. We are going to learn today the revision of money, chapter number 11, money, and chapter number 9, measurement. Got my points? So I hope you all are took these all things, and then after we will start our session. So all my dear students, as per regularly, I am going to present here today's code, and then we will start our session. So let's check today's code, my dear students. So what is the today's code? So my dear students, today's code is see the good. What? See the good. So now further, let's check today's contents, my dear students. What is the today's content? So today's content is what was, my dear students? Today's content is a revision of money and revision of measurement. So note down this all things, dear. Revision of money and revision of money and revision of measurement. Note down these all important things, all dear. I hope you all are understood, my dear students. And then further is here is the what, all my dear students. As per already we know, here name of the two boys, Aaron and Abel. So Aaron brought all toys from the top shelf of the toy shop. Means this. Okay, and then Abel brought all the toys from the bottom shelf. Can you make a bill for them? So all dear students, we have to mention both names. Aaron brought all toys from the top shelf. Okay, Aaron is a what, my dear students? Aaron is a brought all from the top shelf of a toy shop, and Abel brought all toys from the bottom shelf. Got my points, all dear students? See this. So note down these all important things, my dear students. Okay, Aaron is what? Aaron brought all toys from the top shelf, and Abel brought all shelf of the bottom. Got my points, all of you? And then further, my dear students, which things and how much price of that things, dear all students? So let's check the all things. First is apple, and the 7 rupees of apple, 18 rupees for ice cream, 12 rupees for a rose, and 14 rupees for banana. It's Aaron brought all things. Aaron brought that all top toys shelf, and that Abel brought a bottom shelf of the toys. Bottom shelf of the toy. Got my points, all of you? Understood, all my dear students? Note down these all important things, my dear all students. I hope you all are understood, dear, what I am telling you. And then further is Abel's. Abel's brought 4 things. And bed price is 35 rupees. Chocolate price is 20 rupees. And aeroplane price is 25 rupees. And then strawberries price is 14. Got my points, all dear students? Note down these all things. And again I'm going to repeat for you, and keep it in mind, these all things in your mind. What all, dear students? All my dear students, keep it in mind the all things. Apple, 7 rupees for an apple, 18 rupees for an ice cream, 12 rupees for a rose, and 14 rupees for a banana. Got my points, all of you? And so all my dear students, banana for 40 rupees for a banana, and then after here 35 rupees for a bat, 20 rupees for a chocolate, and 25 rupees for an aeroplane or a toys, and 14 rupees for a strawberry. 14 rupees for a strawberry, dear. Got my points, all of you? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear all students. So now we will going to define further is what Aaron's bill and Abel's bill. Okay, so what we have to write? We have to write here the all things. Okay, what we have to, my dear students? We have to write all things, my dear students. Aaron's bill and Abel's bill. So Aaron's bill's item is what? Is first is apple over there. Apple, and what was the price of the apple over there? The price of apple is over there. The price of apple is 7 rupees. How much, my dear students? 7 rupees. Note down these things. And then after the second item, what the second item, my dear all students? The second item is the ice cream. Ice cream. Note down these all things, dear. And what is the price of the ice cream? 18 rupees. How much, dear? 18 rupees. So note down these all things, dear. Then after, my dear students, then after further is the rose. Rose. So what was the price of the rose, all my dear students? The price of rose is 12 rupees. How much, my dear students? 12 rupees. Got my points, all dear students? Understood? And now the further is last things is what? Is banana. Banana. Got my points all dear students. Note down this all important things in your book. And what was the price of the banana? 4040. 4040 rupees. And here what we have to do? Here we have to do the addition, my dear students. What we have to do? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. So note down this all important things in your book, my dear. And then what we have to do? The total. Okay, 10 plus 10 is equal to 12. 12 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. 20 plus 8 is equal to 28. 28 plus 2. So 30. 30 plus 4040 is equal to 17. 17. And 17 plus this 7. So 70. What was the total amount? The total amount is 77 rupees. Aaron's total amount is 77 rupees. How much, my dear students? 77 rupees. Got my points, all of you? Got my points? It's the Aaron's bill. Now we are going to check the Abel's bill. So what was the price? What was the first items of the Aaron's bill? So first price of Aaron's bill is a bat. Got my points? Bat. So my dear all students, what I am telling you, and the price of bat is how much? 35 rupees. How much, my dear students? 35 rupees. And what was the price of bat? Is 35. 35 rupees. Got my points, all of you? Understood? Note down these things. And then after further is chocolate. And what is the price of the chocolate? It's the 20 rupees. 20 rupees. Okay, my dear students, note down these things, my dear. You have to write only, no need to draw any kind of the symbol or image. Okay, and price of the chocolate is 20 rupees. And then further is what? Further is aeroplane. What, my dear students? Further is aeroplane, my dear all. Okay. So further is what? Further is aeroplane, means toy. Aeroplane. Got my point? And what was the price of the aeroplane, dear all students? 25 rupees for aeroplane. So 25 rupees for aeroplane. And then after last is what? Strawberry. Last is a strawberry. Got my points, all dear students? Note down these things. And how much is the price of the strawberry? The price of the strawberry is 14 rupees. How much? 14 rupees. Got my points, all my dear students? So note down this answer in fast. I hope you all are understood. We have to write all things. Okay, so now what we have to do? We have to do the addition here. 20 plus 20 is equal to 40. 40 plus 30. 17 plus 10. 18 plus 5 or 5. 10. 19 plus 4 is equal to 94. So Abel's total amount is 94. Abel's total amount and total bill is 94. Got my points? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Note down this all items and amount, my dear students. Here you have no need to draw these pictures or item. You have to write the amount only. and then we will move, and then we will going to be compare our Aaron's bill and Abel's bill. So now Aaron's bill is a 17.7 rupees. Now Aaron's bill is 17.7 rupees and Abel's bill is 94 rupees. So we have to mention both things in down top bottom side. Then further, all dear students, further is our next step is what? Next step is whose bill is more and by how much. Okay, so now here we have to write the Abel's bill. It's a 94 rupees. How much, my dear students? It's a 94 rupees. Got my points, all of you? So note down this all things dear in your book. So 94. 94. Got my points? And how much? So what we have to do? 94 minus 77. 94 minus 77. Okay, dear all. So note down these things, dear. Here is what? Here is 4 minus 7. 4 minus 7. So how many left over there? 4 minus 7. Is this possible? No. Is this not possible? Okay. Got my points? Is this not possible? Understood, my dear students? Got my points? So what we have to do that time we are going to take the borrow. 14, 10, 10, take the borrow. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 minus 7. So answer is what? 7. Answer is 7. And then what we have to do? Then we have to cut the further digit. So I am going to cut the further digit here and put a small digit 8. 8 and 8 minus 7 is equal to 1, my dear students. So answer is what? 17 rupees is more than a 17 rupees is more than a 17 rupees is more than Aaron's. Okay, 17 rupees, not a 27. Got my points, all dear students? Note down this answer. I hope you all are understood, my dear students. So you have to note down these all important things in your book, my dear students. And then after we will going to start our new topic. Okay, what was the new topic? What is the time? First of all, you note down this all clock. You have to draw the all clock, my dear students, in your book. So first clock, let's check the time of the first clock. We are going to check the first hour hand and a minute hand. And then further is also hour hand and minute hand. Again here is also hour hand and minute hand. So note down these all things, my dear students, in your book. So the time of the first clock is what, all my dear students? The time of the first clock is 12:15. 12:15. Because of us, our hand, small hand is on a 12 and minute hand is on 3. So 3 is what represent? 3 is represent a 15. So now we are going to write the time, my dear all students. So all my dear students, 12:15 is the time of the first clock. So note down this time. And then after we will going to be a check the time of the second clock. And then further the time of the second clock. What was the time of the second clock, my dear students? The time of the second clock, first of all we are going to check the hour hand. Where is the hour hand? Our hand is on 3. Our hand is on a 3. Okay, and a minute hand is where? Minute hand is on a 7. So 7 is what represent that? A 7 is represent a 35. So time is what? 3:35. 3:35. Note down the time, my dear students, in your book. I hope you all are understood. And then further we will going to check the third clock. What was the time of the third clock? The time of the third clock is 4:45. Means our hand is on a 5. It's coming on a 5. Okay, and a minute hand is a minute hand or long hand is where? Long hand is where, my dear student? Long hand is on 9. And 9 is what represent? 9 is represent, my dear students, 45 minutes. So 4:45. Got my points all? And then further is the clock number 4. So now, my dear students, try to solve your own self, and then I am going to telling you what was the time of the fourth clock. The time of the fourth clock is a what? The time of the fourth clock is our hand is on a 11 and minute hand is on a 6. Our hand is on a 11 and minute hand is on a 6. Got my points all, dear? So 6 is what represents? 6 is present a 30 minute. 30 minute. Got my points? So time is 11:30. Time is what? Time is 11:30. So note down the time of the 4 o'clock, my dear students. Understood? And further things I am give a 4 o'clock again. You have to write the time your own self. Write the time your own self, my dear. Got my points, all of you? What I am telling you? Note down this all things in your book. So now I am going to present a further. See, note down this all clock, do fast, otherwise you will be going to take a screenshot. And then write the time and send it me in WhatsApp, all dear students. So my dear students, I hope you all are writing. So note down these all important things, dear. So my dear students, I hope you have done this all things. In next lecture, first of all, we are going to solve this all fourth clock, and then we will going to do the further revision. Got my points? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students, and thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you all of you.